Hello everyone. For today's lesson, I'm going to discuss an example for implicit differentiation. But first, let us know about implicit differentiation. So, what is implicit differentiation? Implicit differentiation is a process of finding the derivative of a dependent variable by differentiating each term separately, expressing the derivative of the dependent variable as a symbol and the resulting expression. So, to solve the equation, we are required to use chain rule and view y as an implicit function of x. The advantages of implicit differentiation is that the technique allows us to find the derivative of y with respect to x without having to solve the given equation for y by treating one of the variables as function of the other. The equation given is if xy equals to 2x minus y squared, find the values of dy over dx and d square y over dx square at point 1, 2. In the equation above, we are required to do implicit equation. So, in order to solve the question, we have to expand the equation until we get 2x squared minus 4xy plus 2y squared. Next, we rearrange the equation by moving negative 4xy from right hand side to the left hand side until we get 5xy equals to 2x squared plus 2y squared. Next, differentiate the equation implicitly with respect to x by differentiate on both sides, and we get 5y plus 5x dy over dx equals to 4x plus 4y dy over dx. Move 5y to the right hand side and 4y dy over dx to the left hand side. Next, factorize the left hand side and continue by substituting x equals to 1 and y equals to 2 into the equation. And finally, the value for dy over dx at point 1, 2 is 2. Please take note that to differentiate this equation, we have to use product rule, where u equals to x, v prime equals to dy over dx, v equals to y, and u prime equals to 1. Now, we move on to the next part, where we have to find the second derivative. By using the dy over dx equation from the previous question, differentiate the equation implicitly with respect to x and we get 5x minus 4y dy d squared y over dx squared plus 5 minus 4 dy over dx equals to 4 minus 5 dy dx. Next, substitute x equals to 1, y equals to 2 into the equation. Since we use the same point with the last equation, then we can substitute dy over dx equals to 2 into the equation also. Calculate the value of d square y over dx square by moving negative 6 and negative 3 from left hand side to the right hand side. Finally, the value for d square y over dx square at point 1, 2 is 0. Also, to differentiate this equation, we have to use the product rule, where u equals to dy over dx, v prime equals to 5 minus 4 dy over dx, v equals to 5x minus 4y, and u prime equals to d square y over dx squared. Based on the calculations, we can conclude that if y equals to 2x minus y squared at point 1, 2, the value of dy over dx is 2 and the value of d square y over dx squared is 0. That's all. Thank you for watching.